Hi everyone, this is Renuka. Very good morning to all of you. This is class 4 of Quant Basic to Advanced batch. In this session, we will solve the questions of average. We have already taken 3 classes. The links will be in the description box. So, what do you know about the average? What is the basic formula you use when you solve the questions of this topic? आप कैसे solve करते हो? Sum of the all values divided by total number of values. Right? यही basic formula होता है ना? But in this session, we will solve these type of questions in a different way. How? See, this is a question, how you find average here. First, you will multiply 5 with 10, then you do 10 into 13, then you divide the total by 15, right? That's the basic formula, right? But my approach is, first find the minimum average in the question. What is the minimum average here? 10. Here also 10, right? Plus, what is extra average here? Or what can you see the more here? 3, right? In how many people? 10 people. So 3 into 10 extra 30 you see, right? Then you have to distribute this extra amount in total number of people so that you can get the actual average of total people. So 30 divided by 15, which is equal to 2. Now add these 2 with the minimum average, that is 10. So 10 plus 2, 12 is the average of total people. This is my approach. In this approach, we are going to solve all the questions. Now, without wasting any more time, let's begin the session. Let's have a look on the first question. The average weight of 8 persons increases by 2.5 kg when a new person comes in place of one of them weighing 65 kg. What might be the weight of the new person? So, one of them weight is 65 kg replaced by the new one, right? So, what might be the weight of the new person? 65 kg plus what is the increased age? 2.5 kg in 8 persons, right? So 2.5 into 8, 2 into 8, 16 plus 0.5 into 8, 4, 16 plus 4, 20 kg. So 65 plus 20 is equal to 85, which is in option C. So option C is the correct answer over here. Okay, now move on to the next question. In the first 10 overs of a cricket game, the run rate was only 4.2. What should be the run rate in the remaining 40 overs to reach the target of 282 runs? So we need to find out the run rate in 40 overs, right? Then we have to deduct these 10 overs runs first from 282 runs so that we can find the run rate in remaining 40 overs. So the runs in 10 overs, 4.2 into 10, that's equal to 42. 282 minus 42, which is equal to 240 divided by 40, that's equal to 6. So run rate 6 is required to reach the target of 282 runs, which is in option A. So option A is the correct answer over here. Moving on to the next question. In Varun's opinion, his weight is greater than 65 kg but less than 72 kg. His brother does not agree with him and he thinks that Varun's weight is greater than 60 kg but less than 70 kg. Okay, so first of all, from these two lines, what can be the weight of Varun? From 66 to 69, right? Because his weight should be greater than 65 and less than 70. So we took here 66 to 69, right? Now, his mother's view is that his weight cannot be greater than 68 kg. If all of them are correct in their estimation, what is the average of different probable weights of Varun? Now, his weight after his mother's view can be 66, 67 and 68. So what is the average here? 67, right? Which is in option E. So option E is the correct answer over here. Got it? Now let's have a look on the next question. The captain of a cricket team of 11 members is 26 years old and the wicket keeper is 4 years older. If the ages of these two are excluded, the average age of remaining players is 2 years less than the average age of the whole team. What is the average age of the team? Okay, so suppose the average age of the whole team is X. What should be the total then? 11X, right? Now, what is the age of captain? 26 and wicket keeper? 30. Total? 56. Now, according to the question, 11x minus 56 is equal to 9 whole into x minus 2, right? So 2x is equal to 56 minus 18 will be 38. X is equal to 19, which is in option B. 19 years is the correct answer here, right? Okay, now move on to the next question. The average weight of a class of 24 students is 45 kg. If the weight of the teacher be included, the average rises by 400 gram. The weight of the teacher is. So, first of all, the teacher's weight should be 45 plus, right? Now, what is the average increased weight? 400 gram or 0.4 into 25. Why 25? Because teacher's weight is also included, right? So 0.4 into 25 is equal to 10. So 45 plus 10 is equal to 55, which is in option B again. So option B is the correct answer over here, right? Now let's have the next question. The average weight of 16 boys in a class is 48 kg and that of the remaining 8 boys is 45 kg. Find the average weight of all the boys in the class. So what is the minimum average weight here? 45 kg plus, right? Now what is the increased weight here? 3 kg into 16, which is equal to 48, divided by 16 plus 8, 24, which is equal to 2. So 45 plus 2, which is equal to 47 kg, which is in option A. So option A is the correct answer over here, right? Now let's have the next question. If the average marks of 3 batches of 45, 60 and 45 students respectively is 50, 55, 60, then average marks of all the students is. Now again, what is the minimum average marks here? 50, right? What is the increased marks here? 5 into 60, which is 300, and here 10 into 45, which is 450, total 750, divided by here 45 plus 45, 90 plus 60, which is 150. So 750 divided by 150, which is equal to 5. So 50 plus 5, which is equal to 55, is the average marks of all the students, which is in option D. So option D is the correct answer. Now moving on to the next question. The average age of husband, wife and their child 3 years ago was 27 years and that of wife and the child 5 years ago was 20 years. The present age of the husband. Okay, now the present age of husband, wife and child is 27 into 3, 81, plus here 3 years ago, so the present age is 3 into 3, 9, which is equal to 90, right? Now what is the age of wife and child in present? 20 into 2, 40, plus 5 into 2, 10, 50, right? So the husband's age, present age is 90 minus 50, which is 40 years, which is in option C. So option C is the correct answer over here, right? So that's all for today, guys. For the questions, join Telegram group. You will find a PDF of practice set. Download it, solve the questions. If you have any doubt, do ask. I'll definitely solve it out. Bye-bye. Take care.